வணக்கம். எனக்கு தமிழ் ತುಂಬ தெரியாது, பட் நான் ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பினஸ் இருக்குது தட் நான் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நல்ல படம் பண்ணியிருக்கேன், நல்ல கேரக்டர் இருக்கேன் இன்னைக்கு ஃபில்மில். I want to thank Samudrakani sir because he was the first person who saw the vision in the character that I could do it, and he thought that I could do this character really, really well. So thank you so much for seeing the character in me. And of course, Shiva sir and his brother, the producers of the film, they have been extremely supportive, extremely nice towards me. This is my first film in Tamil. And I'm really, really excited. I hope that the audiences love me as much as they've loved me in Kannada and in Malayalam. And this is a bilingual film, so extremely important. It was a very different experience to shoot with two different heroes in two different languages. And both of them were so established in their own ways. I started shooting with Ravi, I think, the first day. And you're a fabulous co-star. It was amazing working with you. He's an extremely talented actor. He's a very silent person, but I'm a little talkative, so I like people, talking a lot to me a lot on the sets. So he is extremely, extremely professional, a very silent person, a very good actor, a very, very good dancer. So it was fabulous working with you on this movie, and I hope we work again soon. Then I worked with Nani, which was the Telugu version of the film. It was really nice because again, Nani is a very intense actor. It was fabulous working with you as well, Nani. I hope we work again. It'll be really, really nice. And we shot a song together. And I think Tamil and Telugu, the experience was that, when you're shooting the same thing in two different languages, it was a really, really big bonus for me because I got to do the same thing over and over again. I think it's really important for an actor to get to have this kind of an opportunity. It just develops you as an actor more and more. And of course, the cameraman, the music director, G.V. Prakash sir. It was nice working with you too. He's given some really nice songs, and I'm really happy that in my first film in Tamil and Telugu, I got this really nice dance, Kuttu song, and I love to dance. I think it's seen on screen. I'm having so much fun with Ravi and Nani. Amla, she looks really pretty in the film, and we didn't get to work with each other, but I'm sure we should do a film together in which we have scenes in combination together. But she looks really nice in the song, and everybody else who's been a part of the film, it was fabulous working with all of you. And I really want to thank Samudrakani sir especially because I don't know both the languages. I'm just learning Tamil and Telugu, and it's very, very difficult, for a director to sometimes vision an actor who's not very, very familiar with the language. He really, really cooperated. I've learned so much from him. He's such an amazing director. It's unbelievable. I think I've grown as an actor working with this whole team. It's fabulous, and I'd like to thank all the dignitaries for being here today, all the press, and I hope and pray that I get all the love and the support from Tamil and Telugu. Thank you so much.